In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Printful. By the end, your store will be connected to a print-on-demand partner so products can be added in a few clicks and orders can be fulfilled automatically. Begin inside your Shopify admin, the dashboard where you manage products, orders, and settings. Make sure you're in the correct store and that you have permission to install apps. On the left-hand sidebar, open the Apps section. This is the hub for all integrations that extend your store's features. From there, click Shopify App Store to browse new apps. The App Store may open in a new tab. Use the search bar at the top and type Printful. You're looking for the official Printful app that connects your catalog to their fulfillment services. When you find it, click Add App. Shopify may briefly show you what permissions the app needs to run. Review those details so you know what's being connected. Then choose Install App to finalize the connection between Printful and your Shopify store. Shopify will handle the secure handshake for you, and within a moment, the app finishes installing. Once installation completes, the integration is active. You'll see Printful listed among your apps, confirming that your store and Printful are linked. Now you can start using Printful inside your workflow. Add Printful products to your store directly through the app, publish them with your pricing and descriptions, and let the integration do the rest. Before publishing, make sure titles, descriptions, and pricing are clear and account for base costs, shipping, and your desired profit. When customers place orders for those items, the orders will sync automatically to Printful. They handle printing, packing, and shipping on your behalf, while order statuses update back in Shopify so you can track progress without manual steps. If you want more control, take a moment to customize settings. In both Shopify and Printful, explore options that match your business needs, things like default mockups and product variants, shipping preferences, branding options for packing slips, and how you want taxes or currency displayed. Small adjustments here help your storefront and fulfillment stay consistent with your brand and improve the customer experience. With that, your store is fully integrated. You've set up an automated fulfillment pipeline that frees you to focus on marketing, customer service, and growing your product line instead of managing inventory. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.